I would like to welcome our first contestant for the evening, Aniket. So, Aniket, please go forward. This, it's your time. Speak and speak now.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Hello everyone. Good evening. This is Aniket Raj, and I'm an author of two books. And first of all, I would like to thank Speak Now Marathon for organizing such a beautiful event and for giving me a chance to express my views on education. So let's begin. Education. It makes you to adopt a different situation, but with theoretical knowledge and practical application. Such degree is useless, that knowledge is priceless. You feel comfortable, you feel a connection with the world. Generally, there is no limit for education or say gaining knowledge. There is not any age restriction. Note it down. I am saying for gaining knowledge. But in the current scenario, the meaning of education has been changed. For example, the importance of exams are given more important than the student's life. One side, government is saying not to go outside, and on the other hand, government is playing with about 15 lakh students in danger. Because the behavior of education has been changed, fear, stress, anxiety are roaming around the students' corner. They've forgotten to learn like they're enjoying it. They've misjudged, they've forgotten, and just the reason is education is no more education. Priority has been changed. Knowledge is no more first priority now. The major aim of people through education is money now. Moreover, they have forgotten that the knowledge will take them to the money and respect definitely. Students' mind has been restricted apart from their open mind knowledge, and it's high time now that we have to come with a solution. Students will have to understand the importance, their purpose of education. Note it down, I am saying their purpose of education. They will have to be more familiar with practicals. Few days back, I was thinking about our education policy, which had been changed. It was one of the greatest steps taken by the government. Students are no more binded only in streams like commerce, science, and arts, and they can study anything in which they are interested. Even I was very happy, but somebody thought why it is done now, why it is not done before, and suddenly in this pandemic, it is necessary to be done now. So the reason is the government is not able to implement it properly. In fact, we don't implement a new policy now, it will be completely useless. Let's take one more example. We have seen students making the timetable, but do they implement them? This is the big question. Are they able to implement them? The answer is no. This pandemic taught us the real meaning of education. Students are getting trouble in online classes. Even some institutions are not able to conduct the proper online classes. But the thing is, everything is going on. And that's the big problem of our country. Or you can say, the thing is going on. So the thing is, you have to decide whether you want to learn or not. You just can't be dependent on others for gaining knowledge, for learning anything. You will have to be more responsible. You will have will have to bring a change at your own, because the real motive of education is to bring a change at you, at the world, at the and to make responsible, not just binded in one thing. Thank you. With this, I would like to wrap up my speech. Thank you for giving me a chance, for letting me listen for the 3 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aniket. It was really wonderful. You brought about some good points there. So, Aniket,
Yes, sir.
thanks a lot for coming forward for the competition. And Aniket, I agreed to somewhat what your point said. So, along with that, I'll say education has changed from the out. If you see, it's teachers day to day, and the birth perspective with every generation, the role of a teacher changes on a regular basis. Earlier, the teacher had to give us knowledge. Now, teacher has to limit the knowledge. They have to put a stop where a student has to stop learning at that point, and what is the right sources to learn. So this is how
Yeah.
education has changed from every
Yeah.
perspective,
Basically,
every
this is
time.
happening in the world,
Yeah. So
and this pandemic taught us really
and
well.
because of that,